Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking all things TGIN. Keep on watching. So I had the pleasure last week of visiting the TGIN headquarters for their 14-year anniversary. So happy for them, so excited. Absolutely love TGIN. I've been rocking with them for years now. So the event was amazing. Got to meet a lot of people and I toured the warehouse. Such an amazing time. But the best part was I left with this amazing PR box. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so first of all, this box is personalized, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. So inside of the box is a ton of goodies, starting with the Happy Birthday TGIN bag, which I'm sure I'll be using, and then a ton of products. So let's get into them. Okay, so first up we have the Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo and the Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. Now I haven't used these two in a while, but I will be using these soon, so make sure you are subscribed. Stay tuned for that video. And these are from the Moisture collection, which you also can find at your nearest Ulta Beauty. TGIN is also having an anniversary sale, so make sure you click the link in the description box so that you can save some coins on these products. Next up, we have an all-time fave. This is the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. When I tell you this is bae, I mean it. Moisture, slip. I did a twist out or flexi rod set. I'll link the video up above, just using this leave-in conditioner. So I use this as a leave-in styler, one and done product, and chef's kiss, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next up, we have another fave of mine. This is the Sweet Honey Hair Milk. Smells amazing, ton of moisture. Absolutely love this product here. Next up, we have the product that literally made me fall in love with TGIN. This is the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. If you know, you know. If you don't, run out and get it. This mask smells divine. Slip, moisture, it's just everything. So it's made with raw honey, olive oil. 10 out of 10 out of 10 plus 10 times 10 to the 10th power. She's that girl. Next up, we have the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel, which I use for this perm rod set, which you'll be seeing shortly, so stay tuned for that. This moisturizing styling gel gives you moisture, gives you great hold, great definition. Another 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next up, I've been sleeping on this gem, but I'm glad I'm woke. This is the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. I use this with the gel for this perm rod set, and the moisture with this can definitely be a one and done styler. So again, stay tuned because you will be seeing this one again on this channel. Also in the box was the Smooth and Hold Edge Control, which I haven't used yet, but I'm definitely going to be getting into it. And also the Smooth and Style Baby Hair Brush. So I'm excited to use these. I will probably slick this back into a fro hawk for tomorrow. We'll see, but if so, I'll definitely be using these two. And last but not least, we have 3 of these soaps from TGIN. This is the natural soap with shea butter and olive oil, ginger peach. Lavender fields. And cherry blossom. Definitely can't wait to use these. So that's everything that came in the box. So excited and thankful for all of these goodies. Again, stay tuned because I will be doing videos on the rest of these products. But today, Buttercream Daily Moisturizer and the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel for this perm rod set. So let's get right into styling. So a little bit about these products. The Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. When I say it smells amazing, this is what I used today for this perm rod set. A little goes a long way. She's thick, thick, thick. Super creamy, super moisturizing. We're putting her back in because we are not wasting not one drop. Okay? Add that little bit to my hair. This daily moisturizing cream, you need this. You need it. And then the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Gel. I would say this has a medium hold. A little goes a long way. I literally use just a drop, not even a dime size amount for each of the, each piece of my hair for the perm rod sets. I did work in small to medium sections, but I use a tiny, tiny bit of this. Can't wait to use this for a wash and go, so stay tuned for that. Let me show you the consistency of the gel. It is very moisturizing. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.